Good morning. Beautiful morning. It's about 3 degrees, not a cloud in the sky, hardly any wind. I'm up in the north end of the Brisbane Ranges and I'm going to head down Oblique track this morning. It's only going to be 6 or 8 kilometres today. No weird exploring, no looking for stuff, just a nice simple walk on hopefully a nice simple track. I'm expecting mostly access roads, but anyway, that's all good. The first one, obviously Oblique track, you can see there, and then we'll be on the old Thompson track, kangaroo track, link track, and then we go on a little river track, which is actually the start of the Burchell Trail. That goes all the way down into Stieglitz. I don't know how long it is. Fair way from here to there. So, and then we've got another track called Open Track, but I'm not sure how many of them we'll get onto. I think maybe all of them. This is Thompson's Road here. Bit of a pain to get here. It's a bit bumpy in some areas on the asphalt, but yeah, it's a nice area. Now we're heading on to the old Thompson's track. Heap of grass trees here. So far it's a well looked after access track, which I'm expecting the whole way, to be honest. Pretty popular area. Getting into a nice little gully. It is a bit chilly. If I do see something that's not normal out in the bush, I'll definitely be going to have a look at it. You never know what you might find out here. A few geese flying around. They've been doing laps ever since I got here. Here's me thinking I'm not going to see much from the road. That's a good one. Sound like some currawongs out there with a couple of cockies. About to go down kangaroo track. I head that way, and Thompson's Road is up that way, so you can actually park your car up the end here and walk down. I'll have a look later if there's a parks gate on it, and you've even got a track marker here, so yeah, they look after it. Pretty much a third of the way now, so I must be about 2 k's in. Here or there, and it's just a It's an access track. Nice area to walk though. Good to spend a couple of hours out in the bush just cruising around. Got a few grass trees hanging about. And they did have a burn off notice on a tree up at the start, but I don't know whether that was a intended burn off or an old one. Doesn't look like it's been burned here for a while, but there has been a fire come through many years ago though. There's a ripper. A couple of them through here like that. Ready to drop the seeds, I guess. So kangaroo track, the one we're on, keeps going straight through, and link track is the one we're going to take, and I'm not sure what that takes us up to. Yeah, it takes us towards the Boar Gully campground, but there's track markers here with the orange triangle, so it shows you where to go doing the main track on the main walk. So far it's been really easy, not really any hills, only one gradual hill, just an incline really. Yeah, it's nice. So here we are, the intersection of link track and little river track. And little river track obviously, well not obviously, but it connects up to kangaroo track. And if we go down this way, we're heading towards Boar Gully and the start of the Burchell Trail. I'm not sure if this is part of it or not, but the written start is up on just from the Boar Gully campground. And here we are for our first big gully. I think it's probably the only one. Bit of water in it, a lot of trees down. And up we go. Oh well, not too bad. Nice and easy. Nice big grass trees there. Looks like a double, both of them. Anyway, little river track keeps going that way, and that's to the Boar Gully campground. We're going out this way. We just come from through there. Probably got about, I reckon, 1 kilometre to go, and I'm back at the turn point to the car. So the road we're on now, I showed you just before, this is actual public road. So cars will come up here. If you got kids with you doing this walk, you just need to watch out, I reckon. Because the person I saw driving up slowed right down, but I don't think everyone would. So that's the way it goes. And now we turn up, and the last, I don't know, it's probably 1 kilometre from here, I guess. Might be a bit less. But that's been a good walk. Nice and quick. It's taken me just on an hour to get here. Oh, maybe a little bit more. Started at 7:30. It's about 8:35 now. So I haven't mucked around. But yeah, you could sit in here and have a picnic. It's quite nice. Lots of grass, trees. One other person walking, another person running. Nice and easy. All the tracks are exactly what you can see. Well maintained access tracks. And well worth coming out and having a quick walk around it. Anyway, that's it for me. I will catch you on the next one.